Welcome back to Truck U. So now we can start a little bit more work on our 20th anniversary project vehicle. And I thought it'd be cool to have a buddy of ours in, Brian from Dupli-Color. Good to have you, dude.
Hey, thanks to be here.
And you've been working with us now for 15, 18 years or something like that.
Yeah,
so
about 15 years.
Isn't it cool that I brought Brian along to help us with this project?
It is. And by help, Brian, he means you do all the work.
Right, the application part, right?
Yeah, well, we'll get to that.
Oh, yeah, okay.
But you are so good. You're like an expert at what you do. So we thought we would just let that expertise run wild, right? Like Hulkamania.
I say first thing to his expertise is helping us clean this out.
Help. Yeah. So coffee?
All right, usually the case. Hey, Matt, you want to put your coffee down? Need a hand with this hood.
What about the shoes?
Former owner shoes.
These are new.
Wait a minute. Go throw them on the phone line outside.
There we go. All right. There we go. There we go. If we make a big mess, we'll never hear the end of it.
We'll just have Bruno clean it up.
Oh, that's actually not bad.
Not bad at all.
I thought it was going to be much worse.
I thought it'd be some rust.
It's almost prepped.
Yeah.
Brian, just to make sure you're caught up on everything, I mean, it's our 20th anniversary vehicle, and each show we're bringing it in, and we're trying to do like a different project on it each time.
Okay.
So the reason we wanted you to come down is because you're kind of the expert on this. We want to protect the bed. Now, we're going to be hauling stuff around, throwing stuff in there, you know, and it's going to sit outside. So we just want to make sure we get the right product to keep this thing looking good once it's done.
Right, okay. A few key things that you said there. Throwing tools in there, car parts, whatever it might be, it's going to be a shop truck, right?
Yeah.
So you have that impact resistance that this is going to give you. You also have the skid resistance because when you're up there, you don't want to slide around. And then also, you said it's going to sit outside.
Yeah.
UV protection, all weather resistance, you're covered there.
Okay, cool. I like that, but I know that as far as applying this, which we can get into in a little bit, we've got to have the right prep, and that's probably the most important step.
We have a whole lot of dirt in there from that liner that was previously, in there.
Yep. We
have a lot of gloss as well. We have to knock down that gloss for that mechanical adhesion for this product to bite to. And then also our prep spray, we'll get that wiped down, get rid of that grease grime that's in there as well.
You know what the good news is?
What's
I
that?
don't see any dents, so that's pretty good.
Yeah, it'll finish nice and look good.
All right, let's get this cleaned up, and then we can start looking at application options.
All right, yeah, sounds good.
You know, a lot of it's just dust, so.
It's coming off, though.
Slam.
There weren't any dents.
Yeah.
There are dents now.
So now we can get in there with the multi-purpose foaming prep cleaner.
And then we're ready to apply. You can see how much it takes that dust away.
It really does. That was a lot of dust. It's nice to have a little bit of help finally, you know? So, Brian, all the prep work is done, which is the bulk of the work, really. Now it's time to apply. And I know we have different options as far as the spray gun, or we can roll it on, or we can use the aerosol. You're kind of the expert in this, so I would just want to lean on you for this one. What do you think is the best way?
Yeah, with those three application options, since this is a short bed, compact truck, there really isn't a whole lot of surface area. So there's no reason to drag out the air hose and the spray gun. So we can use the aerosol to cut it in and then use the roller kit to lay down the product.
Okay, so anywhere the roller can't go, we're going to hit that with the aerosol.
Correct, exactly. And it also acts as a base coat as well.
Okay, and then speaking of that, I know the next step is we want to give it just a little bit of time and then what, back roll it, let it tack up? Or?
Right, yeah, let it tack up, then you can back roll it. That'll help even things out and give you even more texture.
Love it.
Wow, guys, this turned out awesome. It was like a pro was doing it.
Yeah, well,
Appreciate it.
Brian, thanks as always for your help, dude, and coming on down. I appreciate it. Someone's got to carry Matt from time to time, and my back is worn out.
Right, I hear you. I'm here to help.
I'm just going to sit here and keep taking the daggers, you know? I can hear both of you.
20 years worth, right?
Yeah,
right?
dude, hey, all kidding aside, dude, appreciate the long-term relationship that we've had with you guys.
Yeah,
it's always been a lot of fun.
Here.
We've done some cool projects for, just many, many years, and it's cool to have you guys involved in that 20th anniversary thing,
Hey,
too.
appreciate you having me down.
Absolutely, man. Good to see you again. And who knows what's going on next with this thing.
Dude, it looks good.
It looks great.
Baby steps. It's coming along.